Hey you guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, let me show you how to manage seasonal cash flows with Bluevine. Alright, seasonal businesses often face uneven income streams, but Bluevine helps you to smooth things out. Here's how to manage it. First step, log into your Bluevine account and review your past seasonal sales cycles using transaction history reports. Then create sub-accounts for peak season's profits, as well as off-season expenses and emergency funds. During busy seasons, you want to allocate a portion of profits into the off-season expense envelope. Use Bluevine's recurring transfer feature to move money automatically into these reserves. When business slows, draw from the off-season expense sub-account instead of your main balance, keeping operations steady. You also want to monitor cash flow reports within Bluevine's monthly to spot trends and to prepare for the next cycle. If needed, consider applying for a Bluevine line of credit to cover short-term gaps. This approach ensures that your business stays stable year-round, regardless of seasonal shifts. And that's pretty much it for the video, guys. Hope you liked it. Hope you found the information here useful enough. If you did, like, share, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.